Retevis RT98 mobile radio has nice housing, stoutness, and stability, advanced and reliable functions, perfect and valuable. This amateur mobile radio is specially designed for drivers, and it pursues company philosophy of innovation and practicality. Long press volume knob to turn on the radio. Rotate is to adjust the volume. It's up to 30. FUN is a menu function button. It has 199 channels. Press function key and squelch key at the same time for 1 second can confirm current power voltage. Press function and squelch key to enter the CTCSS and DCS code menu. In the frequency mode, pressing the up and down or rotating the volume knob to choose the frequency you want. Press function and squelch key to enter CTCSS and DCS signaling settings. Pressing the up and down or rotating the volume knob to choose the signaling you want. Select the serial number of the channel you want to store by pressing the up and down button or by rotating the volume knob. Press V and M button to confirm channel saving. In channel mode, press up and down to choose the channel you want to delete. Hold function and VM key for 1 second. The current channel will be deleted. The radio emit a prompt and jump to next working channel.